Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a smooth Twixtor effect in After Effects. So let's get started. First of all, get your face track clips ready. Add the Twixtor Pro effect. Set a keyframe for speed to 100 at the beginning of the clip. Go to the middle and set it to 45. Then go to the end and set it back to 100. Press U on your keyboard, select all the keyframes and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Now open the graph editor and copy my graph. Untick in FPS is out FPS. Set FPS according to your original clip. My clips are 23.976 FPS. Set image prep to contrast edge enhance. Set frame inter to motion weighted blend. Set warping to inverse with smart blend. Now copy and paste the Twixtor Pro effect onto all your clips. And you are done. Your smooth Twixtor effect is now ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more After Effects tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.